The Holocaust was the systematic, bureaucratic, state-sponsored discrimination, persecution, and near destruction of a race of people through murder. One set of people believed and acted as if they were racially superior. They claimed that the people they locked up and tortured were inferior. What a thing. No, I'm not talking about the Jewish Holocaust that happened over a 4-year period back in the 1940s. I'm talking about the African Holocaust that happened over a 400-year period. And sometimes it feels like it's still a gone. You know what I want to know? If the Jews can get reparation for 4 years, why we can't get it for 400? And don't tell me foolishness about how much time passed since then. Look how much time passed in the horror of that slavery Holocaust. The Jews get reparation for the 4-year Holocaust. Me not grudge them, but since when what is good for the goose not good for the gander? When we talk reparations, it's just silence. No responder. This pure propaganda make me wonder if it is still a slave system we're struggling under. 4 years versus 400 years. 400 years. Why not us? Torture, 400 years. Suffering, 400 years. Children sold, 400 years. Women raped, 400 years. Babies torn from mothers. Fathers not allowed to be fathers. Shackled and chained, brought through hell. 400 years with nothing to tell. What about us?